All right, there it is. That's the 350 engine that's going in the 79 Impala. We got the heads on. We finna put the intake on. We're gonna polish everything up and make it look good. All right, we got a gasket on. As you can see, we put a little bead of silicone. And we're gonna put a little silicone on the top on both ends. Right there. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Right here on the top. Nice little, just a thin little bead. You don't need much. You know, give it a nice little seal. And we're gonna just sit that intake right on the top. And that's a low plane. Look at your back. Yeah, you good. That looks beautiful. Wings, intake. All right, now we're installing the freeze plugs. You got a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of the brass. And then you got the big one, which is the cam. Got all the freeze plugs in. We got the upper motor mounts on. Next, we're going to be doing the cleanup on the timing cover. Possible change the valve covers to new, or just clean up the old ones. There it is. That's how it's going to look in the car. That's the Chevy 5.7 engine. Same valve covers as the name of the intake manifold.